Hello and welcome. Imagine studying medicine in a country celebrated for its cultural heritage, historic landmarks, and world renowned education standards. By studying medicine here, you can directly practice as a doctor in countries like Germany, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, the USA, Canada, and many more developed countries. So, yes, we are talking about Italy. Today, we are diving into why Italy is a premier destination for aspiring medical professionals. From renowned universities to cutting edge research programs, let's uncover what makes Italy a leader in medical education. I am Khushi Sinha from Higher Education Center, where we promise you to place in universities that are globally better ranked than IIT, IIM, and AIMS. So now let's get into why and let's explore why pursuing your MBBS in Italy could be the right choice for you. First up, let's look at some of the most prestigious medical universities in Italy. So first is University of Rome La Spezia, Faculty of Medicine and Dentistry. So this particular university, Faculty of Medicine and Dentistry, founded in 1303. Yes, it is that oldest and the most esteemed medical schools in Italy. Consistently ranked amongst the top 150 globally, this university offers a thorough medical education, emphasizing innovative research and interdisciplinary collaborations. Next, we have the University of Milan Faculty of Medicine and Surgery. Known for its rigorous focus on medical, biomedical, and health sciences education, this institution often ranks within the top 200 worldwide. The curriculum here is a masterfully blend of pioneering research with early hands-on clinical training, offering a rich mix of theoretical and a practical learning experience. Lastly, let's discuss about the University of Bologna, Faculty of Medicine. Celebrated for its patient-centered focus approach, this university ranks in the top 200 globally. The institution is dedicated to providing the extensive clinical training and robust research opportunities through partnerships with leading hospitals, research centers, ensuring students are very well prepared for their future medical careers. So, why should you choose Italy for your medical studies? Here are some of the compelling reasons to do the same. Firstly, Italian medical degrees are globally recognized, allowing you to pursue careers or further education worldwide. Italy has a rich tradition of medical innovation, significantly contributing to the fields like cardiology, oncology, neurology, and many more. Next point is the Italian medical education is distinguished by its extensive clinical training. Students gain practical experience in some of the world's leading healthcare facilities, ensuring that they are thoroughly prepared for clinical practices. Moreover, studying in Italy offers a rich cultural and linguistic experience. Mastery of Italian can open up additional opportunities within Italian speaking countries and international organizations. Italy is also known for its generous scholarship and financial support for international students. The Italian government offers scholarships that can significantly reduce the financial burden of tuition fees. Yes, it is amazing, and additionally, students can receive up to 72,000 euros per year for your living expenses. That is around 6.5 lakh rupees. Yes, making it more affordable to live and study in Italy. So you can understand the fact that the amount you pay, the quality of education you get in return, there's no better option than Italy. Tuition fees in Italian universities are quite reasonable. Compared to other countries, for studying MBBS in Italy, students typically pay between 400 euros to 4,000 euros per year, which translates to 30,000 to 3.4 lakh rupees per year. This makes it a very cost-effective option for higher education and I would say high quality education. Now let's discuss the living cost in Italy. Living costs vary from city to city, but on an average it is around 700 euros to 1000 euros per month, including your accommodation, transportation, food, and other miscellaneous expenses. After studying MBBS in Italy, students can directly work as doctors in countries like Germany, Switzerland, the UK, and over 30 plus other countries without licensing exam like PLAB. And the average starting salary of these countries is around 80,000 euros to 1,50,000 euros per year, which translates to 60 lakh to 1.5 crore rupees per year. That's amazing. And another amazing fact is that student can also pursue direct PG in many countries, where the starting average stipend is around 50 to 70 lakh rupees per year. Yes, and in conclusion, studying medicine in Italy is not just about earning a degree. It is about being a part of a nation celebrated for its contribution to art, sciences, and medicine. With prestigious institutions like the University of Rome La Spezia, University of Milan, and University of Bologna, you are assured to a top-notch education. So yes, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let me know. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions or you want any other country to be discussed, definitely drop a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video.